Have you ever wondered why or how soil temperature matters in the lawn? Well, stay tuned because we're going to talk about it. So, what we have here is a meat thermometer. Don't use this for your cooking unless you really clean it off. But we have it on here. I don't know if you can see. It says it's about 57 degrees air temperature. So one way to figure out your soil temperature, stick this bad boy in the ground. Now, obviously the deeper you go, the colder it's probably going to be. So we don't want to go too far, but this will get a good reading of what our soil temperature is. Now, why does soil temperature matter? This is when the different points of when your lawn is going to be active. So when it's cold like today, we have 41 degrees as soil temperature. I'll move you guys real quick so you can see it. So hopefully you guys can see that. We're sitting at about 40 degrees soil temperature. So at 40 degrees soil temperature, we are still pretty cold. Not a lot of activity going on in the lawn. Now, another thing other than lawns that uses this is gardens. If you plant a garden, you want to know soil temperatures so that way your stuff germinates. Farmers use soil temperatures so that way they know when to plant their crops. Now, pre-emergence, you can base that off soil temperatures. Grass seed germination is based off soil temperatures. So air temperature is different than soil temperature. As you can see, today it said 57 where the soil was about 40 degrees. Now, there is an online way that you can look at this called Greencast. You can put in where you're at. It will give you the average, the 5-day average, and then not necessarily your exact location, but a general location temperature. So I put in Des Moines. Des Moines is a little bit north of where I am, but it will give us a close enough reading so that way you can see exactly what your soil temperature is and when you need to start applying certain chemicals, doing certain things. Now, chemical-wise, or even some fertilizers maybe, it will say on the bottle, on the bag, put this down between the air temperature of 60 and 80 degrees. I believe T-zone maybe is one of those where it says don't put it in extreme heat. So air temperature and ground soil temperature are two different things. Some products, they may also say apply this at certain soil temperatures. Like I said, grass seed germinates at a higher temperature. Pre-emergent activates at between 45 and 55 degrees soil temperature. So that is a couple reasons of why soil temperature is important. Hopefully you guys learned something in this nice little tip video. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.